Okay, on this gas problem, this one's going to involve stoichiometry and collection over water. So, there are several issues associated with this problem. It's kind of complex, but as long as we take it apart, we'll be okay. First things first, it says balance the equation. So I've got two chromiums, three sulfurs, so I'm going to need 3 sulfurs over here. So my chromiums are balanced, my sulfurs are balanced. So now I go with the chlorine. I've got 6 chlorine over on the reactant, on the product side, so I need 6 on the reactant side. That gives me 6 hydrogens. I am now balanced. Okay, so if we read the problem, we're reacting the chromium 3 sulfide with the hydrochloric acid, and we're going to generate this as our gas. Now, two things that we need to remember is this is PV equals nRT. And at some point in time, the N will go through the equation. So let's watch out for that. And I know that because we're using an equation. I wouldn't be giving you an equation unless you needed it. All right, so the other thing we need to know is that the pressure total is going to be equal to the pressure of the gas, which in this case is H2S, plus the pressure of the water vapor. This is the part indicated by collection over water. So what that really means is that, or practically means, is that we're going to have to do a little math to isolate the pressure associated with just the H2S. Okay? So let's go back over here and see what we've got. We're starting with the volume of excess chromium at volume in mils. So there are a couple ways to start this. I like to work the problems as they start. So what this means is that I'm looking for the hydrogen sulfide gas. Now, because I'm going through an equation, I'm going to need to do moles of H2S. Because I'm doing gas laws, I'm going to need the moles out. So we start with our amount given, which is 0.2258 liters of HCl, which was given in milliliters, but we know we have to convert it because we are using our molarity. Molarity, remember, is moles per liter, so 1 liter of HCl we know is 2.450 moles of HCl. We're interested in not the moles of HCl directly. What we really want is the moles of H2S. Well, we know we get that from the equation. So if we look up here, we have 6 here, 3 there. So when we run the numbers, we get 0.276605 moles of H2S. Now, if we're using PV equal nRT, the next problem child is going to be, I'm going to go ahead and write what we're looking for, which is the volume. But the next one is we need the pressure, but we need the pressure of H2S. So if we go back up here and look, that's the pressure total minus the pressure of the water vapor. Okay, well, do we have the pressure total? Yes, the pressure total is 1.239 atmospheres. We need the pressure of the water vapor. Now, well, there are two ways to do this. We can convert the atmospheric pressure back to torr, subtract it, then convert it back, or the pressure of the water vapor, and I'm just going to do it over here, is equal to 47.99 torr. And I know that there are 760 torr in 1 atmosphere. So our pressure of water vapor is 0.063147 atmospheres. So we come back over here, 0.063147 atmospheres. So our pressure of our hydrogen sulfide gas is actually 1.175855 atmospheres. Now our last simple one is the temperature. Well, for collecting over water at 37.2 degrees C, that's what our temperature is. again, we'll convert that to K, and so we get our value there. So we've got our pressure, we're looking for our volume, we've got our moles, R is a gas constant, and we've got our temperature. So what we're looking for is PV is equal to nRT. So volume is equal to nRT over pressure. So V is equal to moles, which is 0.276605 moles, times R, which is 0.08206 liter atmospheres per mole K, times temperature, which is 310.35 K, over our final pressure, which is 175855 atmospheres. Now, I always like to take a minute. Atmospheres cancel, K cancels, moles canceling. I'm left with liters. So my liters comes out to be 5.9908393 liters. Now I'm going to double check. We want the volume in liters, so I'm in liters, and we're going to report it to two places after the decimal, so that will be, my volume reported will be 5.99 liters. So we have done all the pieces, parts, assembled them, and worked it out.